So what have you got to say about the Nerf War video?
It's gonna be sweet.
1, action. Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Okay, cut. We're currently out here at Long Marston Airfield, and we're filming 2 videos. We're filming some of the Fallen, and we are filming Nerf video. How have you guys gone today so far, Thomas?
Quite hot. It's gone well.
How are you feeling, David?
Tired.
This is your first Nerf video?
Yeah, I feel 10-year-old again.
It's my first one as well.
Definitely feel.
We've got a fucking plane there. There's another plane there. Helicopter down there. When I say now, he's going to spin around. You're going to bring up and shoot up under the chest. Say bang, bang, bang. Right, you ready, David? If you come over the shoulder back here. You're enjoying shooting behind the scenes, aren't you?
I am. It's good.
It's fun, isn't it?
Especially on this super cool camera.
Alright then. Now! Bang, 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 bang.
A Bug's Life 2. Nerf style.
So you got to pretend like, put it as if you've just taken out the bag, if that makes sense. And it's in like your hand's still there. So put your hand on the bag as if you just opened it up and taken it out. And then start placing it out and then start sending. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, action. Go again. Don't worry. I'm just going to go around the outside. Excuse me, Tom. So we just wrapped up on our Nerf War video. We basically had like quite a limiting space and it looked quite new. So we have to kind of work out how to make it overall in the video look like it's still like an overgrown airbase. Really, that was quite tricky. So Chris is a Nerf veteran of ours. He's been in, how many videos has he been in?
About 3 or 4.
4 videos. Tom's first day. Today on a Nerf video, he's been on plenty of films and stuff. And David behind the camera there is his first Nerf video, but he's been making a feature film with us that we're releasing the end of July, early August, since February. So you guys can look forward to that and seeing more of David to come. You can't see his face yet, it's top secret. You might see it in the video.
Probably will.
You probably watched the video as well. So, you're watching the behind the scenes. You know what, stop watching YouTube, go outside.